Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usambut metrong ba ka zela uba badru ya katanat kampo yeng uba Prestone pensong uloong ba ka Jingkren Jong Samla uba na Umlyngka ha social media kadai ka Jingkren Pyrshah ri berkata amtang ya ka Meghalaya handra ya ka rihi berok kawai kumta ka sarkar kala le ya ka badan kam bad ula syakem kumta ukuntu yikinong song jong ka zela bakin kiar na kumkine nambar ba menta ka de ka por ban ya teli kat ba ka ri ka dan hapadeng ka jing syahir thma Shushu uloong ba hadin ka tu ka jingja ka balaja ha pahalgam ka sarkar kala shong jialang bat ki BSF ban penyngor bha ha khaput khnang ba ki bri ki banabari kinam yo bandrung bean ha kani kari bat kila dan ru bungun ki bala yo bat ki bathmu bandrung bean sha India lingba ka Meghalaya.
We have already had a meeting with the BSF authority and with all the concerned agencies, be it state and central government agencies. We are in the same page and we are in the same line. We'll make sure that the international boundary be fully secured to meet all these challenges. In case if any kind of infiltration takes place or in whatever manner, but we are already in touch and we are fully in operation as far as the international border is concerned. Yes, that has been taken care of, and not only that, we have already working together very closely with the village authority, be it the village authority, be it the VTP, and including BSF personnel, police personnel, and other central agencies, whatever possible way, and we'll make sure that the infiltration does not take place. And you have seen it in the newspaper time and again. I think quite a number of infiltrators has been stopped or has been ultimately booked into bars and put into bars where ultimately the Foreigners Act is in place. I think what we have to do is, in fact, why ultimately the police was also taken a very swift action accordingly to this, because we are really concerned, because this statement made by that boy is purely anti-national. It will affect not only for Meghalaya, it will affect for the whole country, and not only it will encourage, especially it will encourage these illegal activities, which will ultimately create a lot of security threat to the citizens of the state as well as to the citizens of India as a whole. Therefore, we have noted down very, very seriously on this issue, and that's why swift action has been taken. And my request to all the citizens of the state and also the citizens of the nation as a whole, let us stand united, and we will not allow such anti-national activities to happen again throughout the country.